Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video and I wanted to do an introduction to say a little bit about myself and also to do an unboxing of my brand new prayer journal, which is available now on Amazon. I also want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in today. I thank you for each and every one of you who comment, follow, like, share, and subscribe. This will really help me out, and I really appreciate all of your support. So, without further ado, let's get into my new prayer journal. I did open the box a little bit to give myself some help here so I don't fumble as much. I hope you guys are doing well and are safe. It's late on a Saturday night, and we're doing a video. The life of a content creator, right? So let's get into this box. This is the real live uncut review. Me first time seeing it. And oh my gosh. She is beautiful. I'm going to give you a better look in just 1 minute. Let's move this to the side and let's take her out. Oh my gosh. So exciting. So exciting indeed. Let's stick that over there. So here she is, my new prayer journal. It is available in paperback and also hardback. It comes in two sizes, 6 by 9 and 8.25 by 11. I'm going to give you a quick look of the book. It is beautiful, really good quality. The colors came out amazing. I'm so happy. It took me a while, but I finally got it as close to perfection as possible. But she's beautiful. This is the paperback, 6 by 9. This is the front cover. As you can see, this is the back cover, which has all of my information. Let me fix the camera a little bit here. There we go. So this is the back cover. And again, the front cover. This is the front and the back. And this is the paperback. A lot of pages. So when you first open the book, there is a note from the author. Then there is this book belongs to, and then your prayer list. Which I'm going to bring a little closer so you can see. You have your prayers and your answered that you can write in the date the prayer was answered. There's a few pages of those. Then you get into the journal itself. Give you a close-up of the book. It's very good. You have a lot of space. It's undated, which is beautiful. Every page is the same. Let me give you a little flip through. Very nice. You have a lot of papers. And this is the back. Write the vision and make it plain. By Organized Life and Co. Size 6 by 9 by 11. All the books are the same. The only difference is the size and whether or not it's paperback or hardcover. Now this is the hardcover of the 6x9, same format as before. This book belongs to, there's the note from the author, and then this book belongs to, you have your prayer list and your answered, that you can write the date by, and then the prayer journal. All the pages are the same, follow the same format. And for those who like hardcover, this would be perfect. And then the back says the same, write the vision, make it plain by organized life and co. Very good. Perfect size to carry with you, to throw in your bag, your purse, take with you to school, work, or wherever you go while you're traveling. Perfect size. Back again. And then the next one is the larger size. Again, same format, daily prayer journal. And it has the same format as the other one. After a note from the author. This book belongs to your prayers and answered date that you can put in there. And then you get into the prayer journal. And then the back, that's the same. Write the vision and make it plain by organized life and co. And then again, so exciting. I'm so glad about this. Here is the hardcover for the big book, Daily Prayer Journal. It is very beautiful. It is stunning. And I'm not saying it just because I created it. A note from the author gives you a little bit more information about myself. This book belongs to prayer list and answered. We're a little closer so you may see. And then you get into the journal itself. There's a lot of pages for you to write, which I wanted that to be. And then the back of the book is the same. And also, there's a few blank pages at the back of the book, like 2 or 3. There's blank pages for you to write anything else you might want to write down. So it's very good quality at the back. And this is the front. And let me show you the difference in the size. As you can see, this is the size difference in the 2 books. And I'm so excited. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a good holiday. Tell me in the comments, what are you doing this weekend? You have to work, have other plans, attending church? I would love to know. I've been doing a lot of work lately, so I'm going to be blessed to go to church tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. And again, this book is available on Amazon. The link is in the description box, and you can go over and get your copy, whichever one you prefer to have, of either of these books. And I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning in. And I will see you next time. I'm going to set them up so you can get a better view, if I can, of the books. They are absolutely, absolutely. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you. And you can do all things through Christ, who strengthens you. See you next time.